Every atom on the surface of a star is gravitationally attracted to its center. A star spends its entire life compressing itself gravitationally until it turns into a cinder. This process converts hydrogen and helium into heavier elements such as carbon, silicon, and iron in the star's center. Black hole theorists propose that a star containing several times more matter than our Sun instead crushes matter entirely out of existence. Black hole theory proposes that the center of a massive star acts like a foundry that converts matter into vacuum, a mechanism where the atoms themselves disintegrate and disappear. Theorists assert that atomic structures are crushed out of existence. Not even the atoms at the edge of such an enormous star remain. The star's matter is crushed to a zero-dimensional point. Nothing. In effect, theorists are proposing that an enormous star morphs from an object to a concept, from atoms into a region. Black hole is the name theorists have given to a region. A region is not a physical object. Region means an area, portion, or section of something else. Theorists allege that the black hole is a region of a mathematical concept known as space-time. Therefore, the term black hole does not refer to an object. Prominent space-time theorists, such as Stephen Hawking, tell the world that space-time is unimaginable. Indeed, no concept can be illustrated. Yet Hawking suggests that space-time is an unimaginable four-dimensional container in which everything, including you, resides. A black hole then ends up being a region of an unimaginable concept. What conclusions can we reach? Let's summarize. Matter is defined as volume and mass is defined as the quantity of matter. A black hole crushes all matter out of existence, so there is no mass. Nevertheless, volume goes to zero, so there is no matter. A black hole ends up being a zero-dimensional region that has no mass or matter. A black hole is the definition of absolutely nothing, empty space. The icing on the cake is that theorists have for 100 years held that matter cannot be created nor destroyed. The non-existent abstract concept, known as a black hole, is alleged to do the exact opposite.